Welcome again to Android channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to gain lots of traffic and how to do YouTube SEO for your own videos. So you have lots of watch time hours, also gain lots of views and increase your earnings. Your YouTube channel will be grow in such amazing way. First of all, you have to download this vidIQ, the link in the description, and open the extension of this website. Don't worry and don't be hesitant. It's safe and a part of YouTube program. So give the website all the permissions and don't worry about anything. It's so safe and lots of creators and YouTubers just use it. And you have to sign up with that Gmail which has your channel. Okay, so mine is this Gmail and this is my channel Gmail, and I'm going to sign up with that Gmail, and this is the dashboard of vidIQ. Let me show you. So these are the tools that you can use for your YouTube channel to grow, to monetize, to optimize. So you can, it has a paid plan and it has a free plan, and today they give you suggestions. Each day they give you 3 keywords related to your niche or channel, and these are the paid plans if you want to go with paid plan. But if you don't want, the free plan is also useful and you can take advantage of. So these are some keywords you can make content of, and these are viral and has lots of or have lots of views, so you can create a content and upload on your own channel. Of course, these keywords related to your own niche, they optimize these keywords with the niche you are talking about on your own channel. And you can download the extensions for this vidIQ. The extension is so important. So in my case, because I added in my Chrome, so you can see remove from Chrome. That means it is already exists on my Chrome browser. So just make sure it's signed in. Okay, so once I click on the icon of vidIQ, I can see that this extension is signed in. As you can see, if it's not, you can see a button of sign in. You can use your Gmail to sign in and everything will be done. So now how can we use this extension? Just go to YouTube search bar. Look, the vidIQ extension is working, so I can see this icon in my YouTube channel. So here I'm going to search of this keyword YouTube SEO. So once I search, I can find vidIQ is working. Look, the score of the keyword that I searched for. So the score is 74. The score is amazing. So the content can go viral with this keyword. Okay, and also the competition is so low and the keyword volume is so amazing, so you can compete and go viral with this keyword. So I'm going to take a competitor for this keyword. Since the first video has lots of views and a lot of people are watching them, I'm going to pick this video as a keyword or as a competitor for my own video. My video will be as same as this video content, so just go with this video because it has a lot of views, and these views can be forwarded to my own video. Okay, how? By using vidIQ. vidIQ will give you overview. As you can see, the tags and the channel tags and the ranking keywords, they will all be shown for you to that you can use them to your own videos. So you can copy these tags, the viral one by one, or you can copy the whole tags by clicking on the icon. So you can redirect those audience to your own content, since these keywords work so much wonderful with this for this person or YouTuber. So I can copy all the videos or tags by clicking on this icon. Again, I'm going to back to my YouTube channel. So after downloading or uploading the video on my own YouTube channel, okay, I'm going to upload or pick a video from my own YouTube channel and let you know how to do the SEO of your own YouTube video, so this video goes viral. First of all, I'm going to delete all of default title, description, all of these defaults. I'm going to delete them, and I'm going to use ChatGPT, and I'm going to use vidIQ for my title and description and doing YouTube SEO video. So, or SEO for my YouTube video. The title, I have to copy this competitor video title and go to ChatGPT and type a prompt, say that give me or rewrite for me this title so I gain lots of views, and it should be free from copyright and have a lot of search on YouTube. So this is the title, and it gives me a lot of suggestions, and I have to pick one of these suggestions, and it's up to you which one you would like to go with. And in my case, I'm going to take the last one, and it's optional. Each one you would like to go with, it is okay, but make sure something should be attractive. Okay, so the last one is more attractive for me, and I'm going to copy it and paste it on the title section on my own video. Okay, this is the first thing you should to do with your YouTube video SEO. In the description, you have to go with a prompt. Okay, this prompt I will give it for you in the description in this video, so you can take this prompt. This prompt will give you title and suggested titles and description in tags and popular tags. All of these will be written for you only with one prompt. So just copy the prompt. I will add the prompt in the description. Okay, so I will add the prompt title here. Okay, and just press on OK. So ChatGPT will give you in this title, description, and tags. Just copy, paste them, and everything will be done. Then after that, these are the title. I just add my own title. I have to now add the description in the video. So just go in, copy the description. Let me show you. So this is the results of that prompt. So as I told you, the title, suggested titles, description, and popular tags, all of them are just in your hand. Just copy and paste them. I'm going to copy the description, and I'm going to back to the video SEO, and I'm going to add the prompt results, the description, I mean. Okay, and I'm going to add a hashtag on the title. As you can see, this is SEO, YouTube SEO. This is a hashtag. I will add it in the title, and the same hashtag I'm going to copy it and add it in the description. It's so amazing for SEO, for your YouTube SEO or your video SEO. Also, I have to add some prompt. I will add the prompt that I used in my own video. This prompt, you have to copy and paste it on the ChatGPT of your own browser, and you can take the same results as I just copied and pasted. So this is the prompt. In the description, just go take the prompt. It is based. Also, you need to add or mention some YouTube channels. So I'm going to mention my YouTube channel, and I will mention some amazing YouTube channels, so those audience who are checking them videos will redirect to my own videos, since I'm the same in the same niche or in the same field. Don't forget the video quality and the video edition and the voice quality, also the thumbnail are most important part in YouTube video SEO. And pick the playlist you're talking about. Just go to your playlist and check the playlist of the video, and make sure the video is not for kids. This will increase your earnings if the video is not for kids. Then go to tags. Scroll down also, and you will end up with tags. Delete all the default tags. And how to add tags? Tags, you have to add them by copy the title you add. First of all, this title without hashtag, you have to add it, okay, in the title. This is the first thing you should to do for your YouTube SEO, or for your video SEO on YouTube. And then add the rest of the tags. From where? The second tags, you should to add them from the competitors tags, okay. This competitor we talked about, just copy them tags and add it in your own tags, the viral one, okay. I'm going to choose the viral one, and I'm going to paste those tags that I want viewers redirected to my own video. And you can take all the tags, but I would like to take the viral one, since I want to add more tags. Only 500 tags are allowed for each video, okay. The first thing you should to do is the title, okay, tag. And then the second tags, you can take them from your competitor video. The third one is suggested tags from vidIQ. These are the suggested tags from vidIQ. You can click on these icons, it will be added automatically to your own tags. Also, the fourth way is to go to ChatGPT and take or copy those tags that are popular tags, which give you results from the prompt. Let me show you. This is the ChatGPT, okay. From the prompt, these are the popular tags, okay. Just copy all of them and paste them on the tags section again. So once you do that, all of tags will work like this. This is the result, okay. Only 500 tags are allowed, so I have to delete all the tags that I don't want to use them on my own video. So I'm going to delete this, close this, X and X. So this one also, I have to make it lower than 500. So this is good for me. Scroll down, you should to check the video language. Okay, the language of the video is English. Just go pick your own video's language, and then you have to don't allow the remix. The third one, remix, don't allow it. And scroll down, you have to pick the niche of your video. What's the niche of your video? It is how to style, educational, anything. You have to pick them, so the YouTube algorithm knows where to put or suggest your video or in any niche. So I'm going to go with, what is it, how to, since I'm talking about YouTube SEO. Then go next. It's up to you. You would like to open or on the ads or not. It's optional. I'm going to make it or click on off, and then the end screen. The end screen is a link, internal linking. It's so important. I talked about internal linking for your YouTube SEO. Link in the description. This video is so important for you. Just go and watch it if you want to increase your watch time hours, or you would like to know about internal linking to increase your earnings. And also it is good for your monetization. I can add in the screen a subscribe button and a playlist, or a video, most watched video, or a specific video. I talked all of about these in details. You can go to that video and watch it by details. So I add the subscribe button, add a playlist, since I'm talking about uh, what is it YouTube tips and tricks. So I add that playlist, and I'm going to pick the duration of the video. At the end, I clicked on save, and this is the end of the video, and everything is done. You can add subtitles, it's optional, and also click on next. Everything is done. YouTube checked your video, have no issues, no copyrights. At the end, it's up to you. If you finished your video, you can publish it. In my case, I will add it unlisted since I didn't create the thumbnail. Once you created your thumbnail, just go publish your video, and believe me, you will gain lots of views and subscribers only by doing the right SEO for your own YouTube videos. Each video needs good SEO to rank on YouTube. Any questions or suggestions, just comment below. I would like to reply within 24 hours. Thanks for watching.